friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter. And I have Demi with me here because we're going to test these Sharpie markers. They're creative markers. And you know how I found these, Dem? So when you guys got your dad that, you want to open one up?
Oh, they're different sizes.
Yeah. So when Landon got that chalkboard and he bought that chalk paint.
I bought that.
Okay, well that chalk paint is Sharpie too.
Yeah.
Which I didn't even know that they've made that. And it worked wonderfully. So I looked it up and I was like, oh, they have these. So they're called Sharpie Creative. Let's see. Let's try to. No, she gone. Sharpie Creative Markers, but there's two kinds. So one's broad tip and one is. Well, they don't say it on here, but when I bought them.
One's just.
Oh, this is brush tip that I got, and yours must be broad tip.
Bullet.
Paint effect, no bleed. All right. Look at her go to town. So we're just going to try. Demi's got to go to work, so she can't stay with me very long, but we're just going to try these out. Here, let me move over. Oh, you got them all neat. I've kind of made a mess.
What's this? You kept them in here. I think that's different. Like, what do you mean?
What's the point?
It just came out of the thing. It just was part of the package.
All right. So, essentially, I think... Ooh, these are like paint. Look at that.
I don't know how to do this.
Well, you don't have... Just write something.
These ones are like...
So that's the
regular marker.
What was it called? Bullet? So this is really... And then it just depends on...
But I don't know how to do it like that.
Well, like...
Like the different thickness.
I'm not really that great at it either.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's try... Can you see both of us? Yeah. So, what do you think as far as... Gosh, these are really nice, though. The flow is really good, didn't you think?
I don't know how to do that.
I'm trying to... Oh, there's even a white one. White and black.
Yeah, I don't know how to make
Let's see. Let's write... Oh, we'll write... Let's see. Hello. So, it's the pressure that you put on it.
Yeah, but I'm, like, not good at doing it.
So, you... Lightly... Heavy. Can you hear it? And it works better with this tip.
I just can't do. I don't know. I've never been able to do
and then heavy. Well, I'll tell you what. I am not really that great at it either, but this makes them really easy. So I did put these on my Amazon. I think they're on my Amazon favorites in the description. So you can click on them and go, yeah,
they are like, well, they're like not really paint. Let's see if they show. They don't. Well, this is thick paper though.
We kind of tore into them because we were excited, but let's see what it says on the back here. Try it with one of these, Dem.
Try what? I did. That's that.
Oh, see, that looks like it. That looks really good.
No, it doesn't.
Yours actually looks better than mine. And what you can do...
yours is like more... That looks really good.
Where's the pink at that you used? Is it over here?
Oh, right here.
So see what you can do to it when if you isn't like exactly like you want it, then you can just... so you went on this... You always think about the downside is where you make it thicker.
Oh, well, I was making it thin on the...
Like that. Now you just fixed it.
No.
Let's see. No priming needed. Well, that's good. Color layer without blending. Okay, let's try that. Let's try a pink on my Justin. Oh, that's not yellow. It does. Look at that. Oh, I like that. So like if you wanted to outline it, it doesn't bleed.
Yeah.
You can layer it on, like, you know how you do bubble letters, you know? And you can still see the green easily. Well, that's cool. Let's see what else. Boldly marks on paper, metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. Well, these are a good investment, I think. I wonder if we write on the window if it will come off.
Probably not.
For best results, shake before use and store markers horizontally.
Oh, like that.
Horizontally.
Oh, like this. Oops.
Which I was thinking, oh gosh, all of my markers are vertically. The other reason I bought these. What, baby?
You can write on the inside of this.
Okay, you can write on the top of it if you want. Demi's just getting a piece of metal. I want to try one of these. Is because some of my regular Sharpies are kind of getting...
Yeah, you need more regular ones.
I know. So I thought I'd try these, but these are truly like...
But they're like paint markers, but they don't they dry really fast.
Right, and they would be also awesome to do like journaling, like in your planner books, you know, and stuff. Bullet journals. Ooh, this is nice.
I have to destroy. Okay, well, it's a little dirty, but it's fine.
It's just a candle tub. So see, yeah, it works better to do this kind of calligraphy with the brush tip, I think. Because see, that's not very good. What are you going to write? Oh, I know what you're going to write. Yeah, and I usually am not a big brush tip person, so this is really making me happy. You have pretty handwriting.
Thanks. You do too.
I just tried to do regular.
Well, they work on metal.
Sweet. Does it look like it's already dried? Not quite, huh?
It's a little wet still, but...
It says what it does. Boldly marks on paper, metal, wood, ceramic.
But, it dries like a paint marker. On at least the thick ones.
All right, I'm sold. These are great. Demi.
Oh, yeah, and then... Where's the green?
I got it in my hand. The turquoise?
No, the other.
Oh.
This green. That's nice, too, that you get all the same colors.
All the same colors in the thin ones. And the...
for the most part.
Let's see.
Except for green. Except for a regular green. Wait, yeah, huh? Where'd it go? Oh, right here. Okay, so never mind. Yeah, you get all the same colors.
And it said store them horizontally. So just in case you're directionally challenged, that's this way.
Yeah, I know. I just wasn't thinking. Mom.
I wasn't saying you. Ooh, I like how you wrote my name there. These would be good for a lot of things, I think, don't you?
These feel like the chalk markers, kind of.
I'm trying to do the heavier. So with the broad tip, that lighter, heavier technique that I was telling you, does not work as well.
No,
but it does with
because these are flexible,
Yeah, let's do it in yellow. Sunshine, rain. I just want to go over this and see what it does. Well, it's transparent through it, but it doesn't bleed. Well, it did a little bit. Oh my gosh, I could have fun with this. These would be great. These would be a great traveling craft, wouldn't they? To take with you, just to have something to doodle with. We might have to do some doodling with these friends.
That's what I did at work yesterday.
It's a good way to...
During nap.
During kiddos' naps. It's a good way to clear your mind, for sure. It's a little doodle sesh. Let's do something like a piece that we can... How come I keep grabbing the same pieces? Let's see what the white looks. Do I have black? I do. Ooh, that'd be fun. Let's see what these look like on black.
feel like these will chalk too.
Oh, this is just like...
That's nice.
Uh-huh. This is just like hello. Like a chalkboard. Okay. You get my vote. I give him a 10 out of 10. I don't think there's really anything I don't like about him. How about you?
Yeah, I like them. I would give them a 10.
This would be good if you had a journal, like an art journal, where you just want to doodle and maybe write some things down. It'd be good.
They're basically just paint markers, but like a little...
But they seem a little bit more quality.
Yeah, and they're not like... They don't like get everywhere, if that makes sense.
Well, and the thing with paint markers is, like, remember how many we threw away the other day when we were looking for... And they just get crusty, and then you have to shake them, and then you have to press down on the tips, which makes them...
Well, honestly, these, like... They're kind of like chalk markers, is how it feels.
Yeah, it does feel like it.
And they dry as quick as chalk markers.
All right, coolio. Well, there you have it, friends. The Sharpie Create markers in broad tip, and bullet. No, something like that. So, bye, sweetie. Thanks for playing. So give them, yeah, bullet and broad tip by Sharpie. They're not terribly expensive. The link is in the description. And thanks for checking them out with us. Okay, so now she's gone. So the reason I had her test these out is because remember when I was telling you about doing the happy planner for her for school? And she's like, oh, I didn't really want a journal. Well, she likes to doodle. So I'm still going to do the happy planner. And I wanted to get these and test them out to see if I liked them because I'm going to, when school starts, I'm going to have the journal finished, which we're going to do together. And then I'm going to give her a set of each of these to go with it. So that's really why I wanted to test them out. Now you know all my secrets. All right, I couldn't help myself. Before we go, I just wanted to show you a couple of things that that I did off camera because it was so much fun. I'm kind of addicted to it. I really, really, really like these markers. Now I'm curious if they have any others. I didn't see any when I looked at them on Amazon, if they had more or not, but I didn't look very hard. So perhaps I'll look at some additional ones and see what I can find. But I thought I would just maybe, yeah, they're just so nice. Just kind of do a quick little rainbow here so you could see. Oh, wait, I did one. Yeah, let me show you. All right, so on this one, you can kind of see I filled it in after I made it. Same with this one. Now, the dots were, you could still see them, but they were, of course, lighter, so I went over them again. And then on this, where I did my name, I wanted you guys to see how that, it really looks nice and layered. So I think it's pretty cool, but I'm just going to show you real quick one last thing. I think I'll probably do a couple doodles for a short because it's very relaxing. We talked about this, about the mental mindset and, you know, whether if you're dealing with a little anxiety or you just need to clear your head, just get out of your own head. Doodling is a great, great thing. And I think these would be fantastic. And, you know, I always say, oh, that'd be a great traveling craft. But I really mean it with these because they're really not messy. Now, you know what I should try is just to see what happens if I get it on my, now that I say that, let's see what happens if it comes off easy. Because, you know, Sharpie doesn't always come off easy. And for some reason, like, if I get one of those stamps on my hand, like if you go to a concert or some event, it'll stay on forever on my hand. Like, shower after shower, it will still stay on there. Okay, it comes off with, what do you call this stuff? Anti-bac. So that works well. But yeah, normally it will just stay on there and I can't get it off. And So I really like that they... Oh, here, we can do this. Maybe. Oops, I didn't do that very well, did I? Whoopsie daisy. I should have done the lines first. That's horrible. Oh well. We'll just fill it in with something. We'll just make it all filled in. Now it looks like a spaceship. So yeah, I think no mesh. You don't have to shake them. Anyway, I've already told you all those good things, but I just wanted to take a second and show you some of the things that I did off camera. There we have it.